Hi, welcome back. How do you find how we should move forward? Today I am going to talk to you about a very important subject. And what is that? It's all about purpose. What is my purpose? What is your purpose? And when we talk about purpose, it's not about one project or it's not about one assignment. It's all about your life. It's all about my life. If I don't define my purpose in my life, believe me, my journey will have no direction. If you don't define your purpose of your life, your journey will be meaningless and you never know where you are heading. So let me give you one small example. Okay, what is the difference between your goal and your purpose? You look at this. There are two books. These are my two books which I have written. The Power of 9 Rules I have written last year during COVID time, and Stuck in Business, the another book. This is my second book which I have written in July and got published in August. And when I had decided to write my second book, the first thought comes in my mind that for whom I am writing, who is going to be the end reader. And then I have defined the one who is struggling in their business. It could be a startup, it could be a small business person or owner, and all youngsters aspiring businessmen, those currently who are working in the corporates but they want to start their own business, stand on their own, and youngsters, those who are successful, who can understand how to add leverage and take the business to the next level. And then I have finalized the title, Stuck in Business, 5 exponential growth hacks to achieve 10x profits. And when I have decided, I have made my objective, my goal clear for whom the book is, the contents are become very clear. What should be the contents in alignment with the title. Now this is a small picture about setting the goal and objectives, and then I would also like to inform you, when I was very clear about the objectives, for whom the book is, who are going to get benefit out of it, this book has become bestseller on Amazon, and that's the happy news. That's the good news for me and for my readers. And when we really look back, and I said it was a time invested for the valid reason, it was time invested to achieve my goals, and I have accomplished my goal. Today when I look at the book, when I offer the book as a compliments to my clients, to my CEOs who are the clients, they find themselves in a happy mode. And that's the beauty when you try to align your objectives with your action, and then you see the end result in mind and you get it accomplished. And this is very important. If you have purpose in your life, you can go forward. If you don't have purpose in life, it's time for you, please define the purpose. And if you define the purpose, your life will be beautiful and you will be able to achieve ultimately what you are looking for in the life. And it's a very important thing. When you reach certain milestone, maybe you are 50 years old, when you are 60 years old, when you are 75 years old, when you decide to look back and see what you have achieved in your life, and you will have a good smile on your face, because you have aligned your purpose and your actions, and then that's a happy moment for you. And then in order to make this happy moment, make sure you define your purpose. There is nothing called too late. Okay, sometimes it is said better late than never. With this happy note, I would like to invite your comments. Please write your comments. What are your expectations? What do you expect from this video and in future video series? And also make sure you subscribe to the channel and you keep on receiving good inputs and good thoughts, and then leverage on those thoughts. Thank you very much.